Hey, Temitayo. Alright. I'm really sure you love me, and I love you too. Why can't you just do this thing? Since I'm 100% sure you could marry me last.
I don't care. We practice the way we will play. When I'm not married and I'm having sex, I'm practicing to sleep with you I'm not supposed to. Then when the time comes...
What's the point, Temitayo? Maybe you will still marry me.
My point is this. By the time we get married, since I've practiced to sleep with somebody I'm not supposed to, my desire will go towards that which I am not supposed to have. That is other ladies. I don't care. Don't give me an appetite for something you won't want me to have after you say I do.
Temitayo, are you listening to yourself? You're talking in the nonsense. Like, what's the connection? You're a good guy and you remain that. As in, do you know how many guys are looking for this opportunity? You know what? I need to hook up with my friends. If you ask me, I think your boyfriend, Temitayo, is either an homosexual or an impotent. Because I don't know why he's behaving that way. As if he's the only child of God in the whole Africa. Is that Lola my boo not a born again? People take care. Wow. But what if it's right? You better do something before something do you. Better show you what you got. Let's smoke fire. Or else you will marry someone that cannot get that. Like brother Temitayo. I love his Spanish.
I don't care. We are not having this discussion again. Premarital sex is a no.
We are still going to have this discussion. Or are you an impotent? Even if we are not going to get down below, let's just be touching each other. And let's touching won't send you to hell, will it?
You don't get it, do you? I don't care. Let's say we are on a vacation together, okay? Then you say, I'm tired, don't touch the burger in the fridge. Will you expect me to bring it out and start staring at the burger and be singing, burger, I ain't gonna eat you, burger, I ain't gonna eat you?
How will you do that?
That's my point, baby. If I'm not gonna eat you, I shouldn't be taking you out of the fridge.
Okay, Temitayo. How will I be sure if you have functional eating ability?
Very, very simple. Do you trust my manufacturer? If yes, consult my maker. End of discussion.